The cabin filter is located on the left corner of the footwell. Pull the tab on the housing cover up and slide the housing cover off. Remove the old filter from the housing and clean out any debris inside. It may be easier to pinch in the sides of your new AQ1228 filter as you install it into the housing, with its airflow indicating arrow pointing towards the back of the car. Slide the housing cover into position and press to lock it into place.
Order your parts today at filterheads.com. Also, please like our video and subscribe to our channel so you won't miss any new content.